Once your data is published on GBIF and publicly available, it's also possible to get help improving your data. A common scenario is that a herbarium does some digitization, so takes some pictures of herbarium specimens and then needs help transcribing the information that is on the herbarium specimen label so it is searchable in a database. Here is a crowdsourcing platform that allows members of the public to help you with that particular task. There are many different crowdsourcing platforms which you can use. This one is Australian. I've translated it into Russian, and it's called Digivol, volunteer.ala.org.au. Here's an example of a project on Digivol, which is asking citizen scientists to help transcribe labels for herbarium specimens. I'm logged into the website, so I can click on this Get Started. Here is a picture of the herbarium specimen. We can zoom into the label, and you can see that it's difficult for the computer to read this text. So a human being can come, if I translate to Russian, and enter information about the person who collected it, the date it was collected, the description of where it was collected, the latitude and longitude. It's possible to customize these templates so that you can ask people to fill in less information or more information. Everything which is transcribed by an ordinary person who is bored and just wants to help out also gets validated. So different crowdsourcing platforms have different approaches to this. Sometimes two different people, separate people, will be asked to transcribe a label, and then they will check to see if they have transcribed the same thing. Sometimes only one transcription will happen, and then herbarium staff will be asked to log in and validate what has been transcribed. In other words, to say, yes, this is correct. There are lots of opportunities for citizen scientists to help with tasks like this, because it's often not realistic to expect herbarium staff and museum staff to spend their time transcribing labels.